Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to create or how to connect Google Slides to your n8n account. So first, I will delete those two nodes to start using a manual trigger. Then I will add a Google Slides node with this action, create a presentation. So here in the credentials to connect, click on create new credential. And as you see here, n8n is asking us for our client ID and client secret. So how to get those two values? It's simple. First, we need to create a Google Cloud project because this is where you'll manage APIs and credentials needed to connect n8n with Google Slides. So first, go to this link, which is console.cloud.google. Then open this project picker from here. Then click on new project. Give your project a name, for example, n8n-slides, and click on create. They are creating our project with this name. Once created, you can select it from here or from the project picker. It is first in the list, click on it to open it, and now we are viewing the project n8n-slides. You can close this message and jump to step number 2, which is enabling the required APIs. Here I am talking about the Google Slides API because you need to create and update presentation, and also the Google Drive API to store and access Google Slides files. So to enable those two APIs, go back to your Google Cloud account, click on those 3 lines, and go to APIs and services. Then click on this button saying enable APIs and services and search for the Google Slides API and open this API and then enable it from here. Once the first API is enabled, you can search for the second one, which is Google Drive API, and hit enter. And this is the API we need to enable. Click on it to open it first, and then enable it from here. Once the second API is enabled, you can jump to step number 3, which is configuring something called OAuth consent screen. So here, Google requires a consent screen before allowing access to user data or to your data. And this screen appears when connecting n8n and informs users about the app, your app name, the permissions being requested, and also your Google account trying to connect. So to configure this OAuth consent screen, from the same APIs and services page, click on OAuth consent screen. Then click on get started. Here we are creating a name, so we are creating an app, so give it a name. For example, n8n-slides. This app or this name of the app is asking or n8n-slides. So this is the name of the app asking. This will be the name of n8n-slides. n8n-slides. So this will be the name of the app asking for consent. There, select a support email where users can contact you with questions about their consent. Click on next. For the audience, go with external. Click on next again. Here, fill in contact information, for example, your email address. This email address is for Google to notify you about any changes to your project. Click on next, then check this box for policy and click on continue, then create. Once the OAuth configuration is created, you can jump to the next step, which is creating the OAuth credentials. And when we say credentials, we need to create those credentials to have a client ID and client secret. If you remember here, n8n is asking us for a client ID and client secret. So now we are working on generating those two values. And these credentials allow n8n to securely connect to your Google account and access your Google Slides. To create OAuth credentials, go back to this overview page, click on create OAuth client, then select an application type, for example, web app, give it a name, let's keep things similar. So n8n-slides. So this name is only used to identify the client in the console and will not be shown to end users. Now scroll down to authorized URLs or redirect URLs. Click on add URL and you can get this URL from here, from n8n. Copy this long link called OAuth redirect URL, paste it here in this field and hit create. Once the OAuth client is created, you will get your client ID that you can copy from here and go to n8n and paste it in the client ID field. For the client secret, it's simple. You can get it by closing this window first. Then click on the same client ID you've just created. And here in the client secrets field side, you will see your code. To copy it, click here to copy it, then go back to n8n and paste it here. Now before trying to sign in with Google, we need to publish first this web app we've just created. So go to audience and click on publish app. Push to production, yes, click on confirm. And once the app is pushed to production, you can go back to n8n and sign in with your Google account. Make sure to select the same Google account you was using in the Google Cloud Console. And here, when you see this error, don't worry, click on advanced and click on go to hostinger.cloud and save. Click on select all to give all required permissions and click on continue. Once you see connection successful, you can close this window. And here, as you see, account connected, and by account, they mean your Google Slide account is connected to n8n. Now you can close this window and let's start our super simple workflow to test this configuration. So I will open this create a presentation Google Slide node. And here I will select my Google Slides account. For the resource, I will go with presentation. For the operation, I will go with create. And here in the title, I will give it this title, for example, this slide is created using n8n. So before I execute this step, I want to let you know that if you like how I explain things in my videos and you want to go further with n8n, check out my full n8n online courses available on my website. You'll find the link in this video description. Now, instead of executing this step or this single step, I will execute the whole workflow. So click on execute workflow. The workflow is executed successfully. Now, my bad, I should first open the Google Slide account first before creating my slide. But I'm sure, and if you see here, this slide, and this is the slide. My Google Slides account was empty, and this slide was created from n8n. If you see here in the title, this slide is created using n8n, and this is exactly the title I've entered here. And this is how to connect Google Slides to n8n. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my n8n online course from this video description, from my website, link in the description. And don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.